I'm shook. You guys, I don't know if anything is in this Target. I just got a lot of Easter candy. I don't know where I've been. I don't know what I've been doing. I don't want to do my liner. I don't want to mess my whole life up.
Wow.
That place was so cute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mariah if you're new here. I make new videos every Wednesday. Are we doing Wednesday or are we doing Saturday? I know I'm posting tomorrow Saturday, but then after that I might go to Wednesday. Stay tuned if this was up on a Wednesday. Hi, how are you? Welcome to a weekend in my life. It is Friday afternoon right now. It is just about 3 o'clock. I'm going to drop off a little card to a family friend. It was her birthday. Little Nani. It was her 18th birthday. That is actually insane. She's a senior in high school. I'm shook. Oh my god, the fact that like when I was her age, she was in like 5th grade. Yeah, and then I'm gonna head to Target because I need a few things, and they're like fun things this time. They're not like toilet paper and, oh, I need paper towels. Okay, I need paper towels, but like that's the most boring thing on this list. I should ask Dylan if he needs anything. Dylan's getting a haircut tonight. I couldn't be more excited. I love when Dylan gets his haircut. Let's go to Target. Let's go get some fun goodies. Nothing like super exciting, but like I want to try this Neutrogena body oil. I need a new dry shampoo. I'm gonna get a new coffee creamer. I need bananas. Yeah, let's go. Happy Friday. I made it to Target. Let's do it. I have to pee too. The struggle. Okay, I saw all the Easter stuff and I couldn't resist. I got us each a Reese's, some jelly beans, mini eggs, and M&Ms. Those are like the staples. Okay, I've been loving these as a snack. But I almost wish it had a little bit of chocolate in it. So I kind of want to look for one that has chocolate. Omega-3. No chocolate. What's this one? Chocolate covered caramel bites, cashews, M&Ms. That has literally no nutritional value. Oh, I've had that before. That's really good. They're Monster. So good. Just not good for you. They don't have any like good ones with chocolate in it. What's this? Oh, antioxidants. I don't know. I like the little packet ones. So I guess I won't get any right now because I do have a few more of those left. Everything cashews. Okay, but I do need granola bars. You already know. Oh, they have these minis now. Those look kind of good. Should I try it? No, I want these. What a haul. You guys, I don't know if anything is in this Target. I need paper towels and I already walked past them. I don't know, just paper towels. Which ones do I get? I don't want to get a big pack because I don't want to carry it. I'm just gonna get these. They're probably really cheap, but we're just gonna get it. Until Dylan's with me and he can carry them. Okay, back to go find body oil. Also, they didn't have the creamer I was looking for. So that's really annoying. Gotta say, the Target by me is kind of superior. Don't know where anything is here. Thank you. That wasn't awful. They didn't have some of the things I wanted, but it's fine. They didn't have the coffee creamer, and then they didn't have my probiotics. I did get some good stuff. Not even really. I just got a lot of Easter candy. But I did get this body oil, which I've never tried a body oil before, but I've heard about the Neutrogena one and they don't have the Neutrogena one there, but this says compared to Neutrogena body oil, so maybe they do usually have it, but they didn't have it right now. I don't really know. This is the Target brand. But it's just like you put it on after you shower to like really moisturize your skin. And then they didn't really have a dry shampoo I wanted. At the Target I usually go to, they have like a whole redone beauty section and they have like little sample sizes. So I just got the mini Batiste because I need something to hold me over because the one I have right now is tinted brown and I cannot stand it. Oh, also, hi, it's March 19th and the Justin Bieber album came out today and I'm obsessed. I've been listening to it all day. I made us listen to it in the shop. My favorite songs so far, Off My Face is my favorite. Hold On is another favorite, but that one had already come out. And then Love You Different. So good. So I'm listening to this on repeat as well as podcasts, but right now I think I'm gonna listen to a podcast. Oh, there's nothing I really want. Oh, I'll listen to this.
Thank you to Aunt Human for home.
Back home. It's time for pizza and All-American.
I got the haircut.
Dylan got a haircut. I told him I was excited. You're getting a haircut. It looks so good.
Thanks, Brady.
Thanks, Brady, for bringing my boyfriend back.
Love you, buddy.
We're gonna have some pizza and watch probably too many episodes of All-American. That's gonna be our night. So we'll probably see you tomorrow. Unless we do something exciting. Hi guys, good morning, happy Saturday. I totally forgot vlogging was a thing that I was doing this weekend, so I didn't vlog my morning. It's 9:50 and we're gonna head to work. Well, I'm gonna head to work. Dylan's dropping me off. Dylan's gonna go grocery shopping. I guess I'll take this.
Just take it with
This is my morning. I can't talk. I don't even know what I've been doing. It's been taking me forever to get ready because I've just been like, I don't know where I've been. I don't know what I've been doing. But we're gonna go to Roma Joe's and we need to bring the trash. Yep. We need to bring the trash because it's really smelly. I need to put my shoes on. And then tonight we're going to dinner with the fam. It's just like a, not really the fam. Well, they are my family. Anyway, it's a cousin dinner. We're gonna go with my cousins, my possibly brother, possibly my cousin's girlfriends, my cousin's girlfriends, you know, multiple. Let's get it. I need those on my face, not on my head. Guys, what is this morning I'm having? I like can't get it together. Do I have everything? I hope so. I really hope so. The other day, I feel like I've just been a mess all week. The other day I literally got to work without a mask. Didn't have my wallet to buy a mask. Luckily we sell masks. This morning, I'm just like...
I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, where are you going?
Not the right way.
We're a wreck!
I'm a wreck. You're making me a wreck.
Yeah, so, oh, you could have gone all the way up.
Oh, I can.
Oh wait, no, there's a fence there.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
You as well.
Oh shoot, I forgot this was up.
You're losing it.
I need this.
Yeah, you do.
I've already had some.
Yikes.
It's, yeah. Hi guys. I'm back from work. I need to touch up my makeup a little bit. Now we're gonna go out on the town. What was that? It's literally so nice out. Literally. I'm literally so pale. Literally, I'm so pale. I kind of want to do a wing liner because I don't want to mess my whole life up. You feel me?
Good.
Thank you. Dylan feels me. That sounded weird. Where's the other brush? The bronzer. I feel like I don't like my hair like this now that I'm seeing it in the camera. So camera, what the heck's up with that? Do I just do like Oh, I know what I'm gonna do. The Stephanie do is what I'm gonna call it. Oh, that's much more the vibe. Okay, I still feel like my face is just not it. Do I do a wing? Wait, that actually looks good. Probably can't even see it. Can you tell? Oh yeah. You know it's purple? It's literally purple because I'm too lazy to get a different palette. Cute! Okay. She's trendy tonight. I feel like a Gen Zer tonight. I don't feel like a millennial tonight. I feel more like a Gen Z.
¿Qué pasa?
I said I'm just at the age where I could be either.
You can be whatever you want, baby.
Depends on the day. I saw this funny TikTok about like 1994 to 1998 babies, and then it was like millennials versus Gen Z. And like, we really don't belong in either.
I'm your biggest fan of fire. Tell you love me, Papa, paparazzi.
Off to dinner. Oh yeah, we're going to dinner with my cousins and
Their girlfriends.
their girlfriends and my brother.
And your bro.
I think I already said that earlier in this vlog. I really need chapstick.
Hold on, everyone.
The ride is about to begin. You didn't hold on. People are gonna think I'm like drunk this whole video.
Why?
I don't know, I feel like I'm on one today. Like, today I've just been like, I don't know.
Oh, babe.
Let's go to dinner. I'm so excited for dinner. Cheers. Yep, I'm vlogging. Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Vlogmas.
First before drinking.
You can, yeah.
It mixes the.
Yeah, you put it in syrup.
It is.
If you do Streamlabs, you can stream to Twitch.
Good morning, guys. Happy Sunday. A true weekend in my life. I actually am remembering a vlog every day. Although yesterday was like kind of short because I had to work. But it's Sunday morning. Well, afternoon. Almost noon. And we're heading to Molly's to help her bring a couch up? No, tables. Coffee table up to her apartment. And I think we're gonna stop and get some coffee and some flavored Red Bulls at a new coffee place that opened up that we actually went to school with the girl that just opened it up. We might go to the beach. I don't know if it's gonna be too cold to walk around, but it's like so nice out. Like we just need this right now, but if we go by the ocean, like it might be cooler. If you don't live in New England, you might not know that, but
Very cold by the coast.
right here, it feels so good where we live, but literally this happened like all summer. It would be like really hot where we are, and then we go to your grandma's because she lives by the water. She's not on the water, but she lives like more on the coast, and it'd be freezing.
Yeah, I bet it's a 10 degree.
It literally is. It's crazy. But yeah, it's a Sunday, and we're just gonna enjoy the weather.
True.
Exciting. I love the sunshine.
Oh God, coming to the altar like a track star.
Okay, my camera died for a second before, but maybe it'll just like pull through. That place was so cute.
What?
So cute. They had so many good looking food, but I want to try that coffee. Oh, that's good. Ooh, yum. If you're local, go to Aubrey's Coffee House and Bakery.
236.
Good. And Dylan and Molly got flavored Red Bull.
Proof.
Oh my gosh, this is so good. Yum.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. Probably should have got a
darker.
small,
But I guess I don't know coffee, so.
we're going to get some lunch with Molly. Hi, everybody. Okay. Skipping. You ready?
Skip it.
We're skipping.
Skip.
I'm so ready for food.
Shout out to Dion for making that sweatshirt.
I know. This is Dion's sweatshirt. He left at Dylan's house one time and then I just cropped it this morning.
Cut it in half. She's like, thanks, Dion.
Well, thanks, Dion. Oh, you can't even see it because of the shadow. Choco. Look at this bowl. I want to like pull this off.
No.
Okay. Hi guys, it is, oof, oh my god, look at my hair. Oh my gosh, it's almost 7 o'clock, that's insane. It's still light out. Uh-oh, can you see? Yeah, it's still light out. But it's 7 o'clock, Dylan and I have been laying on the couch watching All American. The last episode was really sad though, so that wasn't that fun. But yeah, it's 7 and we had those tacos and stuff for lunch today, so we didn't really have dinner. Don't have some chips and salsa, but I think I'm gonna have some toast because it's my favorite meal, and it sounds really good right now. But I'm gonna make some toast and then probably just hang out, maybe start editing this video the rest of the night. Her sheets, I just put them in the dryer and it's time to start a new week. Crazy. I'm gonna post on Instagram tonight, just like, I just love weekends with family, you know? I love weekends with friends too, don't get me wrong. I just didn't happen to see friends this weekend. Next weekend I am, and I'm really excited. I'm having a girls' night here on Saturday. It's gonna be so fun. We're gonna do homemade pizzas and have a little wine, and it's gonna be great. But I'm just so grateful that we live close to our families. Like, we got to see both my family and some of Dylan's family this weekend. And it was just so nice. I love, like, I feel like I've been saying this all day. I love summer, spring, summer, like Sundays with family, cookouts, like chef's kiss, love it. Love a good Sunday, like, family hang, you know? I hope you guys enjoy today's video. I will see you guys next weekend, or I still haven't switched to Wednesdays yet. I really don't know if I will. I just, like, don't ever remember that the video's up because I get it done by, like, Wednesday, and then I'm like, by the time it goes up, I'm like, oh yeah, I forgot that was the thing. So I guess I would be, like, really prepared, but also it's, like, already out of my mind by Saturday, you know what I mean? So we'll see if I decide to switch it or not. I don't really know. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far. And yeah, I will see you guys next weekend. And we will have more family time maybe. Oh my gosh, I need to go to bed early tonight. I hope you guys have a great week or weekend whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Bye.